Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
Alright, what are we going to do here, Chipper?
We're going to Maiden flight a Comet ME-163.
You got the thing that dropped the undercarriage? That's going to change your CG too.
Rocket assisted, but we're not going to do the rocket assist this time, right?
No.
Get into the rocket! Where was the rocket? Yeah, take two.
Alright, one more try, folks. Here we go. Oh, lawnmower action.
Ooh, you cut the hell out of that grass.
Totally out of control.
They're here for you.
Yes! It's airborne! Was this supposed to happen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Alright. Oh!
Damn.
And it's not airborne anymore.
Hit the rocket! Use a rocket!
Looked like you had it there and then it started what?
It just started spinning. I don't know what happened. Thanks, sir.
I'll go get it. The fucking...
I mean,
Was this supposed to happen? Yeah.
Here we go.
oh yeah. Oh, ugh. That ain't good.
Oh.
The wing, canopy.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a prop. See, should have used the rocket.
And there's your rocket motor over there.
Rocket Man.
Pick up the phone, my God. Pick up the phone, cause you want.
Analysis?
Yes.
It's broke.
Everything's
I'm down to
attached.
flying field.
Man, that thing eats up some fucking.
See if the servos are working,
ass.
Chip. See if the servos are working at least a little bit. If you've got connection.
Probably won't. Okay, it's gonna be dusty.
Told you, you lost an elevator.
Oh,
Good head.
that's right. You're
I think
flying
you
out
lost a
tomorrow,
fucking
aren't
elevator.
Stripped out the servo.
That would be a shit.
That's a warranty. I would call
you?
Hobby
Coming
King
over
say, hey.
tomorrow anyway?
I think you lost it, and it was probably like whatever side. Well,
Oh, okay.
speed controllers, man.
There's the rocket over here. Okay.
Rocket Man.
Yeah, finally. Got everything done about 7 o'clock last night.
Is that everything?
Hey, Chip. Cut.
All right, bye.
What else am I gonna do with it?
Put it in Clint's block down
Oh
here.
Jesus!
Give us a countdown.
There
Are
we
we
go.
ready?
Yeah,
All right.
I was gonna get smoked out.
Yeah.
that's all right.
Awesome.
Does it have some thrust?
Yeah, it does.
Wait a minute, that's it?
That's it.
That's it.
It worked. At least that worked.